I'm Kayla with WTI, and if you're like me and you love to watch the birds in your backyard, then you definitely have to check out this amazing bird feeder from NETVUE. This Birdfy bird feeder is a feeder, but it has a camera in it as well. So it actually captures close-up video of any bird that comes to it and sends it right to your phone. What's super awesome about this is it's solar powered too, so you don't even have to remove it to charge it up. We get so excited when we get that motion detected notification. It's so cool to be able to watch it live or even watch the video clip of the birds themselves so close up eating directly out of this bird feeder. It's truly amazing. Now on the app itself, you can just have it with a simple video. It's about 20 seconds long, or you can also subscribe to the AI feature, which takes still images and recognizes what bird is coming to your bird feeder and takes you right there on Wikipedia to see all about that bird. Now this bird feeder can be installed directly on the tree like we have it with the Velcro strap, but it also comes with all accessories to be able to install it elsewhere. The camera on here is absolutely amazing. We were able to see some of the tiniest details on the wings of some of the birds that visited our bird feeder. NETVUE really thought of every single detail with this bird feeder too. So it has a speaker that you can actually talk into from your app. If you see a squirrel trying to sneak in and get the bird seed, you can just hit that little microphone button and tell that squirrel to go away and find some different food. I'm very excited to see what other birds are drawn to our bird feeder. We are learning the different types of birds, and we have a variety throughout the year. So as the year continues on, I'm just really excited to see what comes to visit us. So if you want to get to know the birds a little bit better in your backyard, check out this NETVUE Birdfy bird feeder. And that's just my point of view.